Greetings! Ito ang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. At sa video na ito, magre-review ulit tayo ng latest wearable sa market. And yung re-review natin ngayon, papakita natin sa inyo yung design. Kasama na rin yung iba't ibang menus na loaded sa smartwatch ay ang Realme Watch 5 smartwatch. So titingnan natin yung design, kasama na rin yung specs, and of course, titingnan natin yung menus na included sa ating Realme Watch 5. Right now, available to sa TikTok at Shopee. May sa Lazada din. So kung gusto nyong bumili, check nyo lang yung link sa baba. And of course, yung mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na sa ating nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Okay, so umpisa na natin and tingnan natin ano nga ba yung mga features at musta naman yung design ng ating Realme Watch 5 smartwatch. So titingnan natin. So ito yung packaging. So meron tayo ditong features. Kung napapansin nyo, may compass tayo at merong GPS. So sa mga gustong gustong gumawa ng activities or mag-jogging outdoors, meron po tayong GPS. Very useful din to sa mga nagsa-cycling o nagbabike. So meron din tayong comprehensive accurate sports and health monitoring, and merong 14 days battery life. So ito, meron tayo ditong manufacturing details sa kabila, may specs tayo and features, may NFC, may Bluetooth calling. Yung screen display is AMOLED 1.97 at merong IP68 dust and water resistance rating. Okay, and of course, yung smartwatch natin, yung laman nga pala ng ating Realme Watch 5, charging cable, user manual at itong smartwatch. Yung charging cable, pogo pin magnetic din, hindi siya wireless. So sa design, meron siyang plastic material. And ito yung pinaka-edge dito, parang metal bezel. Metal siya. Pero yung middle frame, plastic. Sa likod, plastic din. So, meron siyang, kung titingnan nyo, parang kawig niya yung Watch Ultra. Inspired by Watch Ultra design. So, instead of button dito, yung nakalagay dito speaker, at meron tayong crown button. Rotary. Okay, so pag press nyo to, so pwede nyo gamitin to navigate. So ito yung pinaka-design, simple lang. Watch Ultra inspired design na merong flexible silicone strap, meron ding quick release pin para mas madaling palitan. Lightweight, a combination of PC and I think metal kung di ako nagkakamali. So, yung specs o yung size ng screen is 1.97 inch. AMOLED to. At merong 390 by 450 pixel resolution. So, sporty, lightweight smartwatch na merong Watch Ultra design. So, yung sa weight, tingnan natin. Kasama na yung strap. Check natin. So, it is around, magaan lang ba o mabigat? Tingnan natin. 51.77 grams or 78. Mga 52 grams. So, hindi to totally accurate yung weighing scale natin. Pero sa tingin ko mga 52 grams. Kasama yung strap. Ganyan, yung specs natin sa screen is 1.97 inch AMOLED screen display. Pogo pin magnetic charging. Meron din siyang heart rate monitoring at blood oxygen monitoring. So, titingnan natin yan. Sa waterproof protection, meron siyang IP68 waterproof rating. And sa menus naman o features na included, ito yung mga loaded. So, merong daily activity tracking. Merong Bluetooth phone call. May Bluetooth walkie-talkie. Pero ito, nag-work lang siguro to kapag merong ding kasama kang merong Realme Watch 5. Pero pag wala, wala rin. Merong NFC. So ito more on sa mga security doors instead of mga payment. Okay, ito watch within the card reader. So more on security yung purpose ng NFC. So merong sports functions, 100 plus sports functions, combination of indoor and outdoor sports, and it works side by side with GPS and compass. Meron ding running courses, workout records, may heart rate, may blood oxygen monitoring, stress monitoring, meron ding sleep monitoring, breathing courses, body energy, cycle tracking, ambient volume, event reminder, may alarm din, may stopwatch, timer, and yung mga usual na tools na kasama sa smartwatch. Usually ito yon. May stopwatch, timer, may weather report, may music control function, merong camera control, compass, may calendar at calculator at find phone. The usual. Except for ito, ambient volume at running courses, NFC at Bluetooth walkie-talkie. Sa settings naman, meron tayong mga watch faces, always on display support. Ito yung sa sound and vibration, ito yung gusto ko dito. Meron siyang system volume adjustment, incoming call ringtone, so pwede ka mag-set ng ringtone. Pili ka lang dito sa preloaded ringtones. Message ringtone meron din, at yung sa vibration, so pwede nyong palitan o pwede nyong tanggalin. So marami siyang options. So meron display and brightness, screen on time, pwede nyong i-adjustin. Merong brightness adjustment, raise to wake, double tap to wake, at cover to sleep. Meron ding do not disturb mode. Ito, auto detect workouts, at least 6 yung meron. 6 of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 auto detect workouts. Battery meter, at merong power saving option. Pwede ding ma-configure yung ito sa crown button dito. And of course, system restart, power off, reset, and about the watch. So again, ito yung iba't ibang features na loaded sa smartwatch natin. Yan. So sa watch face, may support siya for functional watch faces. Ito parang shortcut to. Meron pa yata dito. Tingnan natin. Long press. Okay. Yun lang. Ito yata functional din to. This one. Ito. Yan. Okay. So that's it sa ating unboxing review ng Realme Watch 5 smartwatch. So kung may mga katanungan kayo about sa smartwatch nito, drop lang ng comment sa baba. And of course, patuloy pa rin support our channel para patuloy kaming makapagbigay ng mga latest na smartwatch sa market. Ito ang Smartwatch Pinoy TV.